Hi everyone. So we are here at the Food Music Lounge, FML Lounge, which is in NIBM Road, Undri, and we are so blessed that Mr. Rajesh and Mr. Dhruv have allowed us to shoot here. And these garments, these beautiful, stunning coordinates and separates, they are by Right Fit Boutique, which is in Koregaon Park, next to Asian Box, if I'm not wrong, near in the Pizza Hut lane 6. Yeah, it's been a long time since I've been to KP because of the pandemic, so I'm getting old. So here we have all these lovely tiara girls dressed in these amazing ensembles in a beautiful location. It's a terrace rooftop restaurant and it has a fabulous view, as you can see, and it's a lovely breezy day, so everyone's hair is a bit of a mess. Yeah. So Ritika, my namesake, what would you like to say about this place and this shoot?
What a lovely place. I love the aesthetics. I love the greenery as well. And what a beautiful location. The rooftop, always a great idea. And I absolutely love this dress. I think it goes so well with the aesthetics and it's a stunner.
Right. In fact, all these dresses are going really well because they have florals and they're neon colors, and there's thank you Mr. Manoj Aidasani. Yes, thank you Mr. Manoj Aidasani from Right Fit for always supporting the tiara. In every batch he gives us clothes. So girls, you really are fortunate that we have such a great support system, because we can't keep buying all the clothes for all the shoots. Pageantry is an expensive journey, and Mr. Manoj has always helped us. From so many years we are shooting with his clothes. So Meher, you've done the Right Fit shoots many times over.
I've lost count now, and I love shooting for the Right Fit because look at the outfits, they're so pretty. I love this place. It's a busy day, as you said, and I'm enjoying the messy hair on
Yeah, in fact, I'm also enjoying the shoot. It's after I think 2 years I've come out for a shoot outdoors. So I'm also really enjoying it. Thank you, Shivangi. Miss you. We have Shraddha Shashidhar, Miss Diva Universe here, Ritika, Vasundhara, Meher, those who are trying out this year. You can say hi to Shraddha. Alright, and of course the rest of the girls also. Yes, Saloni, what do you think about your outfit? It's a little bold and
Absolutely. The beautiful neon with a red contrasting red. It is something that is vibing with the atmosphere today. Breeze and the greenery around is something making me feel like flying in the sky with the wings.
great. Shraddha Shashidhar says good luck to all of you. And Ananya, also Tiara Girl, says beautiful. And yeah, Nitisha.
And this beautiful royal dress is giving me the feel of royal. And I am Sanya Art and Twinning today.
You're twinning.
Yeah.
Alright. Archita.
I love this dress. I love this top. It has these ruffles that are going around and I love it. It's going so well with the atmosphere here. It's breezy. I love doing this.
Yeah. The atmosphere is good.
Yes. This outfit is making me feel so fashionable, and I think this outfit justifies the saying that fashion and comfort can go together.
Alright, that's great. Yes, Vasundhara.
Very beautiful FML launch and the weather is like suiting my outfit. And this is a very convenient outfit with the tube top and plazo type pajama. And it is like completing the look. I love this dress. And thank you so much, Lightweight, for giving me this dress for the shoot.
Hi Prithvi. Wish you were here. Alright, Sanya.
So I would like to thank Mr. Manoj sir for this lovely outfit. And I really love this place. I'm just enjoying.
Thank you, Mr. Rajesh. Thank you, Mr. Dhruv. Thank you, FML Lounge. Great. Yes, Kashish, the teen queen. Youngest.
I love this place. It's very clean, it's very fresh, and just goes with my outfit, yellow, and I feel super fresh in this outfit.
And you're not allowed in a lounge in the evening because you're only 17. But in the daytime, you're here. Right.
This is a wonderful place, and this outfit is so beautiful. The design of the sleeve, I like
it's so much.
And you are a puff sleeve person, I know. All your clothes have puffs.
Yeah.
Right. Summer Jacobs is also here. Tiara Girl, India's Next Top Model finalist, and she says all the girls are looking beautiful. And last but not the least, Tejaswini, you're looking smashing in that floral dress.
So this is an amazing floral dress. It's very stylish and it's one shoulder and it has a slit here which can be adjusted and it gives a very good fitting.
Amazing. So, before we overstay our welcome, we'll say bye bye to everybody who's watching us right now. And the weather is amazing. You guys are really missing out on something, right? All right. Though, of course, for us, it's not just play, it's work and a lot of work and a little play. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye, everyone, from FML Lounge and Right Fit. Thank you so much.